Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our Wellness Warriors Hub. Today, we have an incredibly important topic to discuss that affects every one of us: the remarkable ways in which exercise can help us fight major diseases. It's a topic that deserves our attention, so stay tuned as we dive into the healing power of exercise. Our journey begins with cardiovascular diseases, the leading cause of death worldwide. Exercise has some incredible benefits for your heart health. Exercise strengthens your heart, lowers blood pressure, and improves blood circulation. It also helps in managing cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of plaque buildup in your arteries. Now, let's talk about diabetes, particularly type 2 diabetes, which is becoming increasingly common. Exercise can make a significant difference here. Regular physical activity enhances your body's insulin sensitivity, lowering blood sugar levels. It also helps in managing your weight, a key factor in diabetes prevention. Cancer is a formidable adversary, but exercise can be a powerful ally in the fight against it. Studies have shown that regular exercise can lower the risk of various cancers. It also boosts your immune system, helping your body detect and destroy cancer cells. Maintaining good mental health is just as important as physical health. Exercise can work wonders for your mood and overall well-being. Exercise triggers the release of feel-good hormones called endorphins, reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety. It's a natural stress buster. Now, let's talk about osteoporosis and obesity. Exercise plays a pivotal role in both of these health concerns. Exercise increases bone density and muscle strength, reducing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. It also helps in managing your weight and regulating appetite, key factors in obesity prevention. Lastly, we'll explore how exercise can benefit those with asthma and neurological disorders. Aerobic exercise improves lung function, making it easier for people with asthma to breathe. For neurological disorders, exercise enhances motor skills, cognitive function, and mood regulation. As we've seen today, exercise is more than just a way to stay fit, it's a powerful tool in the fight against major diseases. From your heart to your brain, exercise has a positive impact on every aspect of your health. So, if you haven't already, consider incorporating regular physical activity into your daily routine. It's an investment in your long-term health and well-being that can't be overstated. Thank you for joining us on this important journey. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. And remember, your health is in your hands. Get moving and stay healthy.